Analytical reports are a common form of workplace communication and are used to present and record a wide variety of information. Analytical reports are typically a response to a research question. They present the research findings and often they make recommendations. Which type of analytical report should I use? Well, that depends on what type of information you are presenting and the purpose of your report. Here are some examples. An empirical research report, for example. An entomologist might write an empirical research report to present the results of her research on the migration of monarch butterflies. A completion report. For example, a medical researcher would use a completion report to present her findings on the effectiveness of a new treatment for diabetes. A recommendation report. For example, a civil engineer would use a recommendation report to present ways to strengthen the structural integrity of a bridge after an earthquake. A feasibility report. For example, a manager would use a feasibility report to explore the use of robots to automate an assembly line. For the most part, analytical reports all follow a similar framework called the IMRAD format. This acronym stands for Introduction, Methodology, Results, and Discussion. A final section containing the conclusion and recommendation follows. This format is bracketed by the front matter and the back matter. The front matter is explained in Video 2 and the back matter is explained in Video 4. Details of the other report sections are explained and illustrated in Video 3. These sections are used to communicate information in a clear, concise manner. The emphasis and location of each of these sections should be adapted to your specific situation and topic. As we've seen, empirical research reports generally follow the IMRAD pattern. These research reports begin with a research question or a hypothesis. Data can be generated using methods such as controlled experiments, surveys, questionnaires, interviews, or case studies. A completion report is self-descriptive. It reports on a completed project. For example, a completion report may be used to inform the management or a client of the results of a specific initiative or project. Recommendation reports provide suggestions about the best course of action. These reports are used to study a specific problem, present possible solutions, and then recommend what action should be taken. Finally, feasibility reports evaluate potential courses of action when a manager or a client is not sure whether something can or should be done. A feasibility report explores all alternatives and measures them against the criteria, then makes a recommendation on the alternative that best meets that criteria.